Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Nazwanul Islami. You can call me Awa Nawa. My address is Altuapati Resident, and I have two siblings. The first, big sister. She in school in Universitas Terbuka. The second brother, with school in Universitas Politeknik Subang. And I just live with my dad and my mom. My hobby, my hobby is listening music and cooking. Was born Bekasi to March 2011, and my age 15. I love it NCT Dreams, NCT 127, Singer Kahitna, Tulus, and the rest. I like someone at my school SMKN 5 Kota Bekasi. His height maybe 170 centimeters. Goodbye. Thank you everyone.